Welcome guys to this tutorial problems. We have covered a lot in this course. The course is Industrial Instrumentation PLC Part 1. We've covered the structure of PLC, PLC operations, the memory and blade down of the internal parts of the PLC. We have also covered the arithmetic operations, the languages used in PLC. We've talked about sensors and actuators. We've mentioned the PLC wiring, sink and source wiring operations. So now we want to test some aspects of this knowledge that we've had. So right now, what you are going to see on the screen will be about 4 problems based on this knowledge that we've had. So the problems covers only about 20 points. So I wish you well. Check the screen now. Do not forget to like and share the video. And if you haven't done so, subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified when we bring another interesting video such as this. So right here on the screen, we have the problems. 4 problems only that test various chapters of the course, which include the stages of PLC operation, as we have in problem number 1, and the arithmetic operation, that is what we have in problem 2, conversion between hexadecimal to decimal, from binary to decimal, and then octa to decimal. Apart from that, we also have problem number 3, which has to do with a PLC's sink and source wiring operations. And the last one tells the logical sensors. When we have some control parameters, and then we want to look at the sensors and actuators for them. So these are the problems for about 20 points. Wish you all the best. Do not forget to like and share the video, and ensure that you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Turn on the notification bell also so that you can get notified when we bring another interesting video such as this. Wish you all the best. Do not forget to like and share the video, and ensure that you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Turn on the notification bell also, so that you can get notified when we bring another interesting video such as this. Wish you all the best.